We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the IMEASY Ice Roller for Face and Eye, a facial beauty tool designed to address a variety of skincare needs. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The IMEASY Ice Roller for Face and Eye is marketed as a versatile skincare tool suitable for all skin types, including those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Its primary functions include reducing puffiness, minimizing fine lines, soothing redness, and improving overall skin tone and texture. The product is constructed from FDA-grade silicone, making it reusable, durable, and easy to clean. This refillable cube design allows users to customize their ice treatments by adding ingredients such as lemonade for brightening, green tea for inflammation, cucumber water for swelling, or coconut milk for anti-aging benefits. The ability to personalize your skincare routine with natural ingredients is a notable feature that many users appreciate, as it adds flexibility and creativity to daily self-care. In terms of design, the IMEASY Ice Roller is compact and lightweight, with an ergonomic grip that makes it easy to handle. The roller head is intended to glide smoothly across the skin, providing a refreshing and calming sensation during use. The manufacturer recommends freezing the roller for at least 4 hours before application, and then using it in 30-second intervals in circular motions. This process is intended to stimulate blood circulation, promote skin elasticity, and deliver an immediate cooling effect that can help wake up the complexion, especially in the morning. User feedback consistently highlights the roller's effectiveness at reducing morning puffiness, particularly under the eyes and along the cheeks. Many reviewers note that the cold therapy helps to alleviate redness and irritation, making it a valuable addition to routines involving active skincare ingredients such as retinol. Some users also report that the roller provides relief from headaches and jaw tension, suggesting that its benefits extend beyond cosmetic improvements to overall relaxation and well-being. The product's upgraded ergonomic design receives positive remarks for its comfortable grip and smooth rolling action. Unlike some competing products, users report that this roller is sturdy and does not leak, which enhances the overall experience and reduces mess. The silicone material is praised for being gentle on sensitive skin and for not imparting any unwanted fragrances, which is particularly important for individuals who are prone to irritation or allergic reactions. The ability to add fresh ingredients like lemon or orange slices is also mentioned as a way to boost the roller's effects and customize treatments according to personal preferences. Despite its many strengths, the IMEASY Ice Roller is not without criticisms. A recurring theme in customer feedback is confusion regarding the product's name and function. Some users express disappointment that the product is more accurately described as an ice mold rather than a traditional roller with a moving head. Instead of rolling, the frozen silicone mold is rubbed directly onto the skin. This distinction is important for potential buyers who may expect a classic roller mechanism. A few users also mention minor issues with leaking during use, although these reports are relatively infrequent and do not appear to be widespread. Another point of contention is the process of filling and freezing the mold. While many appreciate the customizable aspect, others find it less convenient than simply using a pre-filled roller. Opening the mold can be tricky for some, requiring a specific technique to remove the top. However, once users become accustomed to the process, most find it manageable and worth the effort for the results achieved. Affordability is cited as a major advantage. The IMEASY Ice Roller is described as cost-effective, especially considering its reusable nature and the ability to tailor treatments with ingredients already available at home. This makes it accessible to a wide range of consumers, from skincare enthusiasts to those new to facial tools. Durability and maintenance are also highlighted. The FDA-grade silicone construction ensures that the roller can withstand repeated freezing and thawing cycles without degrading. Cleaning is straightforward, requiring only a quick rinse between uses. The compact size makes it easy to store in a freezer or travel with, further increasing its practicality for daily or on-the-go use. In terms of performance, the consensus among users is that the IMEASY Ice Roller delivers on its promises. Regular use leads to visible improvements in skin texture, reduced swelling, and a brighter, more refreshed appearance. Consistency is noted as key. While results are not instantaneous, users who incorporate the roller into their daily routines report the most significant benefits. The cooling sensation is frequently described as invigorating and enjoyable, making the roller a pleasant addition to both morning and evening skincare rituals. For those with sensitive skin, the IMEASY Ice Roller is often preferred over chemical-based products or fragranced creams. Its gentle, natural approach to skincare aligns with trends toward minimalism and clean beauty. The option to infuse the ice with calming agents like green tea or rose water further enhances its appeal to those seeking holistic, non-invasive treatments. The product's versatility extends beyond facial care. Some users utilize the roller for full-body massages, targeting areas of soreness or inflammation. The cooling effect can help soothe tired muscles after exercise or provide relief from minor injuries. This multifunctionality adds value, as the roller can serve multiple purposes within a single household. Gift-giving potential is another aspect mentioned in reviews. The IMEASY Ice Roller is considered an excellent present for friends or family members interested in beauty, wellness, or self-care. Its simple yet effective design, combined with the ability to personalize treatments, makes it a thoughtful and practical gift option. While the majority of feedback is positive, it is important to address the limitations noted by some users. The lack of a true rolling mechanism may be a drawback for those who prefer the sensation and ease of a traditional roller. Additionally, the need to freeze the mold for several hours before use requires planning and may not suit individuals seeking immediate results. A small number of users report difficulty opening the mold or minor leaks, but these issues are generally outweighed by the product's benefits. In summary, the IMEASY Ice Roller for face and eyes stands out as a customizable, affordable, and effective tool for improving skin appearance and overall well-being. Its strengths include versatility, ease of use, and suitability for sensitive skin. The ability to personalize treatments with natural ingredients is a major selling point, as is the product's durability and low maintenance requirements. While some users may be disappointed by the lack of a traditional rolling mechanism, the majority find the mold design easy to adapt to and highly effective. The roller's popularity is reflected in its strong customer ratings and high ranking among facial rollers in the beauty and personal care category. If you are seeking a simple, natural way to enhance your skincare routine, reduce puffiness, and achieve a healthy glow, the IMEASY Ice Roller is a compelling choice. Its multifunctional design, combined with positive user experiences, makes it a standout product in the realm of beauty tools. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And if you have used this item, please share your experience in the comments to help others make informed decisions.